Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. This is going to be an exciting vlog because my family is actually coming over, not for the first time, but like the first time to actually hang out. They've come a couple times before, but mostly just to help me settle in and move in. So today's gonna be super fun. Both my nephews, Isa and Ismail, are coming as well. And I think they're gonna have a lot of fun. I did get them a few little not treats, but like some little tidbits so they can enjoy their time here. I'm gonna do like a scavenger hunt in my apartment. So I got some gibbets. They're literally obsessed with this stuff. They're little stick-ons for Crocs. So I got a couple for them to have. So I got a little bit of a variety. I'm so excited about this one because Ismail is going to absolutely freak out. So yeah, I got a couple of these and then I got some candies. So I got, let me show you guys. I'm trying to be quick because they're literally about to show up. I got some Jolly Rancher drops and some like popping candy. So what I'm going to do is hide these around the house so they have like a little scavenger hunt. I think that's going to be so fun just so they get familiar with the place and I don't know, associate it with like good vibes and they enjoy their time here. So I'm not going to make it too hard because obviously Smile is like 4 years old, but Isa, he'll definitely be able to find some stuff. So I'm going to put that there. Mostly for Ismail. So one right there, that's an open shelf. And then Isa's I'm gonna put in the oven. Oh my god, this is so funny. I'm gonna put that there. And then for these little baggies, I have this right here. I think I'm gonna put one in here. I think Isa won't be able to find this. I'm gonna maybe put it like that. And then for Ismail, I'm gonna just put it in here because I don't want him to like look around too much. And these knives, oh, that one doesn't have, okay, never mind. I'll put it in this one. I think this will be easy for him. And I'll tell him not to open this one because I'm not trying to have a safety hazard here. Okay, now these little gibbets, I don't know where I should sprinkle this. I'm thinking like just around this area because it is empty. So I'm gonna put one right there, one right there. I'm gonna hide this one. So I'm gonna put him back here so he can be hard to find. I'm getting a call. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, I'm here to talk to the lady.
Hi, this is Quinn. Do I have permission to let you guess up?
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. They're literally almost here. I have 3 more. So I think I'm gonna just put one. Oh, Tweety, I'm gonna put Tweety back there. Smile's gonna literally freak out. That's so funny. Okay, and then the other 2, I guess, oh, I did get one more Charizard just because I thought they would like fight over it. So put that there, and then the other one I'll put here by the sink. Actually, before they get here, I'm gonna quickly wipe down the counters because they are so disgusting. I made myself a smoothie this morning and I literally spilled it everywhere. So I'm gonna do a quick clean up of the kitchen while I listen to one of my audiobooks. It's literally playing right here. Let me open the app. So I shared this before, but I've been listening to The Sealed Nectar. It is a book that I listen to literally over and over and over again because there's so much knowledge in this book that I can't always retain. So I go back to this and listen to it all the time, and I use the Audible app for my audiobooks, and I want to take this moment to thank you, Audible, for sponsoring this portion of the video. I absolutely love Audible. If you guys have been following me for years, I've been talking about Audible and the Audible app for so long. It truly is just like the best app to use if you have a really like on-the-go lifestyle, which I do, and I find it super helpful because I can listen to audiobooks when I'm doing things like multitasking, like I'm about to clean the kitchen, when I'm driving, when I'm just doing things that I can't really sit down and actually take out time. I like to play my audiobooks on the app. If you've never used Audible before, right now is the best time to try it out. They have a 1 month free for new members. Also, as an Audible member, you can choose one title a month to keep from their bestsellers, their new releases, from all the selection in their catalog. Audible offers a huge selection of audiobooks, podcasts, and even originals. There's hundreds and thousands of titles to choose from. So there's a genre for everyone, whether it's like music or parenting or history, even things like spiritual and religion. If you want to learn more the way I am, there's something for everyone. So if you guys want to try it out, I will put my code here on this screen. You can text it to 500-500 or use my URL, which will be linked down below. I highly recommend, I'm not just saying that, I recommend it to all my friends and family. Assalamualaikum. Oh my god, thank you so much. I did a little scavenger hunt in the apartment, so you guys have to walk around and find little prizes.
Okay.
Okay, Isa found one prize. Yeah. Nespresso machine. Loose is down the street.
I didn't open this.
There's nothing in there for sure.
Wait. I want.
Not in that one. That one has knives. Close that one. No, give that one to Isa. One first off. There you go. Smile.
Is Luke walking out from the door?
No. No. What did you find?
I want to dip it.
It's not. Isa, come here.
3, 4.
Oh, okay. That's all of them.
Okay, let's see what you guys
Wait, there's one more prize. Nobody see it.
Look at there.
It's not.
How's the first meal? First home cooked meal. It's been a few days. A lot has changed in my apartment. I have a ton of furniture now. And actually, I just got delivered my olive branch tree, which I've been waiting for so long. It's been like delayed for so long. Oh, it's not heavy. I literally ordered this tree like 4 weeks ago, maybe 3. And it's been delayed. And it finally got delivered, of course, the day I leave to Korea. So I'm actually leaving tonight. Our flight's at 1 a.m. So I'm going to head to the airport like around 10:30. So I still have a few things to do around the house. Let me show you guys what's been done. I'm sure if you watched my other video, you probably saw, but we have a couch, we have accent chairs, we have a rug. And now we have our little tree. So pros and cons of this place. At night it gets pretty dark because there's not a whole lot of lighting. So I have to kind of rely on the city lights to keep the place pretty lit up. So if it's dark, I'm sorry. Wait, is it broken? The bottom piece is not there. Okay, that is so strange. So I have one piece and the other piece is like without the pot. Is this what's supposed to happen? It is tiny. What the heck? I have no idea what's happening, but is it supposed to look like that? Okay, so one of the olive trees came in the little pot. I feel like that looks right, but it's so tiny. And then another one came bunched up like this. Yeah, I'll just have to deal with it later, but I don't know if I've shown my place at night, but this is the vibe. I definitely love the way it looks at night. It's a totally different feel. It just gets really, really dark. That corner is the only spot that has light. But yeah, it's so nice. The weather actually has been beautiful the last few days. It really does feel like fall. Like it's been 70s and stuff like that. I am actually just waiting for my sister to come. She said she was gonna stop by because she's taking the keys to my apartment so she can stay here with her friend or just like hang out here while I'm gone, since I'll be gone for like 10 days. So she's coming to do that. So the minute she grabs my keys, I'm going to pop in the shower, take an everything shower. I don't know about you guys, but like before a trip, I have to do one of those everything showers and just like feel clean and do my hair. It just feels, I don't know, it just feels good. And then, yeah, I'll head to the airport. I'm not going to get to the airport until 10:30. So, yeah. Also, I just picked up dinner and... Oh. I just picked up dinner. It's a slice of pizza from Whole Foods. And truthfully, it just doesn't taste right. Like, something about it just tastes really weird. I don't know if it's just been sitting out all day. But I took one bite and I was like, oh, this does not taste right. So excited for Korea. I'm going to Seoul, Busan, and then Gwangju. I think that's how you pronounce it. 3 cities. You know what sucks? It's supposed to be like complete fall the week right after we leave. So we're going there between the 13th and the 22nd. Or the 12th to the 22nd. And guess when fall starts? The 20th to the 31st. So we are barely going to miss it. Really hoping that we don't miss it entirely. That would literally suck. I love fall. I think it's my favorite season. And I really want to see the fall foliage. So hopefully we don't miss that. Before I go, I do want to take a moment and talk about Palestine. My heart is so heavy. And my love and prayers go out to all of those that have been affected. I can't even fathom what the families are going through and how terrorizing and traumatic these experiences have been for them this last week. I have been sharing a ton of resourceful content on my Instagram stories, links to places that you can donate, and just speaking up as much as I can. I know my voice is not replacing those that have been suppressed and oppressed in Palestine, so please, if you can, stand with me to stand for Palestine and pray for our sisters and brothers there. Also, I want to say that I'm praying for Afghanistan as well. There's been an earthquake there. There's just been so much happening in this world, and so I do want to recognize that and say that my thoughts and prayers are with them. If you have a better way for me to support, please leave a comment down below. I'm happy to share resourceful informations and links. So yeah, just if you can't do anything, just at least please pray for our Muslim brothers and sisters. So I do want to say that before I check out. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching and supporting. Be sure to like this video if you liked it. And thank you for Audible again for sponsoring this video. Love you guys. Bye.